How to change your avatar on Facebook Messenger. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your avatar on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. So first thing what you want to do is just open up your Facebook Messenger just like this, and you should be heading over to this page. So let's get started. So first thing what you want to do is just head over to your message application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply select this menu from the bottom right corner and just head over to settings, and under settings scroll all the way down until you see the option called avatar. Just select it. So to simply change, you can just click on this edit avatar button over here, and as you can see currently I have this avatar over here. So if I were to change his hairstyle, hair, makeup, or even face, I can simply toggle on this navigation bar and simply change it from this to this, just like this. And once I'm satisfied with my everything, like a body structure, face, makeup, hairstyle and everything, I would simply click on this save button at the top right corner, and just like that you'll have successfully changed or edited your avatar on Facebook Messenger. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.